Guys, today we will discuss about the basic informations about the mathematics, basic informations and rules of mathematics. If we add two numbers, then we obtain the result as we take two numbers 5 and 2. We obtain 5 plus 2, 7. How? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2. We will count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how we obtain 7? If we multiply two numbers, 5 multiplied by 2, then we obtain 10. 5 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 10. Same as if we subtract two numbers, 5 minus 2, then the result will be 3. 5 minus 2, 3. How? 5 minus 2. We will cut two lines from these 5s. Then the result will be 1, 2, 3. 3 lines. That is our real answer. Process will be same if we have a plus a instead of 5 plus 2. Then because a plus a, both amounts are same, so a plus a will be 2a. In the case of multiplication, a multiplied by a, it can be also written as a dot a. In case of multiplications, if bases are same, we add their powers. For example, power of a is 1, power of this a is also 1, so 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. So we obtain a square. A multiplied by a will be result into the a square. Same as a minus a. So we obtain result 0. Because it's the rules of mathematics, plus and minus cancel each other. It is a plus a and it is a minus a, so both will be cancelled. For example, we have plus 1 and minus 1, then it will be 0. Because if we may have one candy, we also donate it to someone, then we have nothing. Because after donation, we have nothing, so result will be 0. Same as next is division process. In division process, if we divide 2a by a, then result will be a, 1a, because we have 2a which is cancelled by a, so the result is only 1a. If we put a is equals to 4, then 2 into 4 divided by 4, which is equals to the 2 for the 8 divided by 4. As we know that 4 is the multiple of 2, 4 to the 8, so the answer is 2. So guys, what's about these? These are two circles. What will be the result if we add to these circles? 1 circle plus 2 circle equals to 2 circles. That is not difficult. If we take the value of circle 5, then 5 plus 5 will be resolved into the 10. So guys, what will be happen if we multiply and add these basic symbols of mathematics? For example, plus multiply by plus, minus multiply by minus, minus multiply by plus, and plus multiply by minus. As we know, when plus is multiplied by plus, the result is also plus. Minus multiplied by plus, minus multiplied by minus, it results into the also plus. Minus multiplied by plus, it results into the minus. Plus multiplied by minus, it also results into the minus. We understand it by examples. For example, plus 1 multiplied by plus 2. Then 1 multiplied by 2 equals to 2. Plus multiplied by plus result into the plus 2. Minus multiplied by minus, minus 1 multiplied by minus 2. Then both minus multiplied by minus result into the plus 2. After that, minus multiplied by plus, minus 1 multiplied by plus 1. Minus multiplied by plus result into the minus 1. Same as plus 1 multiplied by minus 1. It result also into the minus 1. So next we will learn about how we apply negative sign to the brackets. For example, if we have some value near relation a is equals to 4 plus b, then minus of a will be minus into 4 plus b. Then this minus will be applied on both a4 and b, minus 4 minus b. It will change the signs of both 4 and b. For example, plus 4 will be changed into the minus 4 and plus b will be changed into the minus b. So these are the basic informations about mathematics. Hope so you learn it and understand it. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz viewers.